Namaste and welcome to Voice of Bharat. This bulletin is presented by the students of Ramakrishna Gyan Mandir, connected with the RSB Vidyapet group. Let us begin with today's key updates covering Indian news, special days, world fairs, sports, economic, education, weather, and our thought of the day. Special day. Today is National Entrepreneurs Day, observed on the third Tuesday of November in the US, but celebrated in various forms globally to recognize innovator and massive Shivratri, a monthly observation dedicated to Lord Shiva. National news. Air quality crisis. The air quality in Delhi has excessed the 400 AQI mark, reaching very poor levels due to having smoke and unchecked stubble burning in neighboring states. B. Srinivas has taken charge as the new Rajasthan Chief Secretary, additionally holding the post of Chairman of Rajasthan State Mines and Minerals Limit and the state's principal racist commissioner in New Delhi. Saudi bus strategy. The central government is coordinating with Telangana officials to provide support for the families of 42 Indians killed pilgrims die in the bus tanker. Conclusion near Media, Saudi Arabia. Supreme Court interventions. The Supreme Court has expressed alarm over liquor for being sold in small packet size. Tax issued an unusual order granting bail in assist in a major digital arrest scam case. Maharashtra favor Adindan Yasbir Patil won the National Gopal Ratna Award for the best dairy farmer rearing cattle. Buffalo breeds, with the award set to be presented on November 26, National Milk Day. Trade deal. India and the United States are close to finalizing the first part of a new bilateral trade agreement dealing with reciprocal tariffs. International news. Bangladesh Bharti, a court in Bangladesh has sentenced outside former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to death for crimes against humanity, a ruling that has noted and worked to encourage it with a stakeholder on gas fire plan. The UN Security Council has adopted a US adapt convention including a peace plan to end the 2 years war in Gaza. US President Donald Trump has warned that any country doing business with Russia will face very severe sanctions. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is visiting the USA for the first time since casually focusing on defense, AI, and nuclear operation with the US education. Kolkata protest. Education news. Kolkata protest until end ex-coordinate aligns the WBSSCS. News teacher interview list includes 10 named and unfairly excluded rightful coordinates, promoting a case in Kolkata High Court. US student visas. A new report indicates India remains the leading place of original international student in US, but future enrollment may decline due to visa delays, safety and corners and costs. School fund incident. Several school children in Mumbai were hospitalized after consuming food from school canteen, leading authorities to launch an investigation into hygiene standards. Women's enrollment in University of Madrasa Defense and Strategic Studies Master's course has struggled, nearly achieving gender parity in the program. Economics news. India's sugar output jumped 48% year on year to 1.05 million tons in the new season as 325 mills began crushing operations, significantly more than 144 operating last year. Export decline. India's exports saw an 11.8% fall in October, and the trade deficit went to record USD 41.68 billion. CNG supply restoration. Mohangarh GS Limited (MGL) expects to restore the distributed CNG supply across the Mumbai region MMRE today following damage to main gill pipeline. Developing countries led by India, US COP30 to demand the future climate summits give greater provisions to discussing the negative trade impacts on climate action, particularly under any measure like carbon credits. Sports news: Jannik Sinner won the ATP Finals title on home ground by defeating Carlos Alcaraz. Sotar Gupta Singh clinched a silver medal in men's 25-meter center fire pistol event as Indian concluded the world champions in third place of overall the medal tally. Cristiano Ronaldo is set to play in his sixth FIFA World Cup over clouding Atletic Portugal. Defense Olympic gold. Indian shooter Dennis Srikanth won the air repellent gold medal at Defiances while Mochra took the silver. All four Indian boxers were completed on the World Boxing Finals advanced to the semi-finals. Weather. The weather is forecast to be sunny and hazy with clear skies in the evening. Maximum temperature around 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature around 28 degrees Celsius. Conditions. Hazy during the day, the transmitting to clear 6 at night. Wind lightning moderate blowing from the north to explorely 6 to 19 km per hour. Humidity expected to be moderate around 59 to 62% during the day, increasing to about 80% at UV intense moderate at 6 to 7. Now RSB special news. Principal Sir visited Gamunda Ramakrishna Kids Academy for academic planning. Today, our principal Sir visited Gamunda Ramakrishna Academy to discuss and plan the academic activities for the upcoming school year. During the visit, Principal Sir met with the school authorities, the teachers to review the current strategy for the next academic session. The discussion focused on curriculum improvement, teaching method, student development, innovations, and approaching strength to learning environment. The staff of Gamunda Ramakrishna Kids Academy appreciated by the valuable strength in guidelines shared during the meeting. This visit concluding positively with both institutions expressing a shared commitment ensuring quality education and well-prepared academic year ahead. Now, thought of the day. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Thank you and have a nice day.